Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a shower cleaning. I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to clean your shower and tips and tricks along the way so you don't have to clean your shower as often. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, just keep on watching. So the first tip that I have is to use a shower curtain for your glass doors, especially if you have a larger shower like I do. I have two exposed doors here, and this just helps prevent them from getting water buildup, calcium, soap scum, and all that good stuff. So all I have to do is just clean that end glass piece there. And then what I will do is every few months or so, as needed, I will just take this down and wash it, and I will let it air dry. So the easiest way to clean your shower is just to use a sponge like this that you fill up with water and Blue Dawn dish soap. You can also use vinegar, but in this video I am not. Some people do not like the smell of vinegar, so it is optional. And typically what I will do is just clean the shower while I'm taking a shower. It takes 5 minutes, if that. And you can find this little sponge at the Dollar Tree. Alright, so let's get into the cleaning process. So first thing I'm doing is just removing all of the shampoo products onto the floor just so I can clean the glass area here. Now this is the area that always gets wet no matter what, and I will show you a tip to keep this area clean as you go. So in the rare instances that I do not clean my shower while I'm taking a shower, you will see me here as I'm doing now. I just take this little mixing bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree that I keep upstairs here in the bathroom, and I just fill it up with water from the bath and then just rinse. Now if I'm doing it while I'm in the shower, I will just take my squeegee and rinse with water. And here you can just see I'm cleaning that ledge where all of our soap products are stored. Blue Dawn works so good at removing all the soap scum and just cleaning out all the mildew and anything else that might be in your shower. Again, just rinsing this area off. And next I'm just quickly wiping down the rest of the walls with that same sponge and Blue Dawn dish soap. And really, if you're doing this while you're taking a shower, you don't even have to worry about rinsing it too much because the water will hit that area. Here is a close-up of the area. You can see there was a little bit of buildup there, so I'm just taking that and scrubbing real good along the edges there. Then I just go along all the edges of the shower. This is where the majority of the mildew and stuff gets built up. And then I'm just going through and doing the floor of the shower. So I not only use this sponge from the Dollar Tree, but I also will use a little bit stronger of a bristle brush and or a Scrub Daddy sponge. And once again, just rinsing it for the sake of this video, but again, you don't have to do this step if you're already taking a shower. Here is a little bit of a close-up shot where you can see just how clean it is. Next, I'm just taking this Method all-purpose cleaner, and I'm going to use this to spray down these couple shower doors. They don't get too dirty or calcified, as I mentioned earlier, because I use that shower curtain. So this I only have to do on a rare occasion. My boys do like to shower in here, so every now and again it will get a little bit wet, but for the most part it stays pretty dry. And I'm just finishing it off by cleaning this last glass door here, both inside and out. And one more tip that I wanted to share with you is just to go ahead and use this little squeegee each time you shower on any exposed glass doors that you have, and that will help prevent the water stains and calcium buildup. Alright you guys, and that is it. That is the simple way to clean your shower. Again, the key is to do this while you're taking a shower, and it takes about 5 minutes or less. So hopefully you have found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cleaning videos. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.
Slipped and killed myself.